Hello friends. So today we are going to solve this complicated geometric series. We will be finding the sum of this geometric series. So we have solved similar problems earlier as well. So the approach will be same. Let's discuss that. So if you see the series, it is x plus 2 by 10 plus x plus 4 by 30 plus x plus 6 by 90. So and it will go till n. So we have to take two inputs from the user, which is n and x. These two values we will get from the user. The other values are 2 plus 2 plus 4 plus 6. So if you see, this is an arithmetic series. Plus 2 plus 4 plus 6, 2, 4, 6. The difference is same, which is 2 here. And the denominator part is 10, 30, 90. So that is a geometric series. 10 into 3 is 30, 30 into 3 is 90, and so on. So input that we are going to take from the user is x and n. Okay, and then we will declare sum as 0. So our sum will be declared as a double type and it will be initialized with the value 0. Why I will declare it as double type? That is because you can see here we have division. So it is better to take double. There will be decimal values as well in the division. So that's why we took double and not int. So again, we will have a loop. First, First I will have the loop to iterate through the n number of terms. So my I will start from 1. It will go on till n. And every time it will be incremented by 1. So I have one variable which is going to iterate through the n number of terms. We need one more variable for this, for our arithmetic series. It will start from the first value of the series and will increment it every time by 2. So let's take it A. A will start from 2 and every time it will be incremented by 2. A plus equal to 2 is shorthand for A equal to A plus 2. Now we need one more variable. This will be for the denominator part for our geometric series. So the first value it will start from 10 and every time it will be incremented by into 3. So k will start from 10 and it will be incremented by k into equal to 3. Now inside the loop, I will do x plus my a divided by k. And outside the loop, I will print the value of my sum. Let's dry run it. Let me take the value of n as 2. Suppose user gave the input n equal to 2 and x equal to 1. Okay. So now if I see my sum is initialized as 0 initially, I came inside the loop and my I, let's see our conditions. Is my I less than equal to n? I is 1 initially. Let's put the variables. I is 1 initially, A is 2 and K is 10. So my condition is I less than equal to n. So is my I, which is 1, less than equal to n, which is 2? Yes, 1 is less than 2, so we will go inside the loop. So our sum value will be sum, which is 0, plus x plus a. X plus a is 1 plus 2 divided by k, which is 10. So this will be 3 by 10. Okay. So this is our iteration 1. Now for iteration 2. Now I value will be incremented by 1. So I will become 2. A value will be incremented by plus equal to 2. So A will become 4 and K value will be incremented by into 3. So it will become 10 into 3, 30. Now my condition 2i is less than equal to n, which is 2, true. So we will go inside the loop. Now my sum will be, initially my sum was 3 plus 3 by 10 plus, so it will be x plus a by k. So my x is 1 plus a, which is 4 now, by k, which is 30. So it will be 3 by 10 plus 5 by 30. So if you calculate this using calculator, this will result in something like 0.4666. Okay. Now, iteration 3, I will become 3, A will become 4 plus 2, which is 6, and K will become 30 into 3, which is 90. Condition, I is less than equal to n. Is 3 less than equal to 2? No, 3 is greater than 2. So condition is false. So we'll come out of the loop and we'll print the value of sum, which is 0.4666. So this is how we are going to write our program. Let's go to our Eclipse and write this. Let me create a class. So this is our sum of GP series 1. So this is our complicated GP series 2. So this is our third program. So let's give the name of the class accordingly. Sum of complicated GP, complicated GP series 3. And I will take public static void main so that it is auto-populated. I will delete this comment and add a comment here. My series is this. Okay, so first I will create a scanner class object so that I can take inputs from the user. I will import the scanner class. I will ask the user to first enter the value of n, and I will store it in the variable n, and x also I will declare. And I will also initialize my sum with 0. So in n, I will put the value of n entered by the user. I will ask the user to enter the value of x. And I will store that value in the x variable. Now I will start my loop. So I will go from 1, A will go from 2, and K will start from 10. Then the condition is I less than equal to n. I will be incremented by 1, A will be incremented by 2, and K will be incremented by into 3. So sum equal to sum plus, so it is x plus a by k. So here also I will typecast the value as double so that the result of this is returned as a double. Outside the loop, I will print the value of sum. Because if I don't typecast, integer divided by integer will return an integer. Okay. So let's save this and run this program. So value of n, let's enter 2 and value of x, let's enter 1. So as I told you, the answer is 0.4666. If you like this video, then please make sure to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.